Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable autosave option in Microsoft Word. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So first we need to click on start now, type MS Word and open MS Word. Now you need to click on this option, click on save. Now you see this option, save automatically, save auto record information. See this minutes are 10. You set one, like 1 2, any which you want. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.